How to get PUK code for SIM card. All that you have to do is to simply locate the call symbol and then press on it, and then come and then locate the key button just like this one and then press on it. Okay, all that you have to do is to simply dial this short code. Okay, so first tap on the star. Okay, so that pressing on the star, come and then press on the 1 and then come and then press on the 3 times. Okay, so 1 2 3 and then come and then tap on the hashtag. Okay, so after tapping on it, all that you have to do is to simply come and select the slot after dialing this code. Okay, come and then select the slot where you have your SIM card. Mine is on slot 1 and then you press on it. Okay, so over here what you have to do is that you have to come and then select option 1, that is access services. Okay, so put in 1 here and then come and press on the send. After that, all that you have to do is to come and then put in your code here. So if you don't know how to create a code, I'm having a video on my channel showing you step by step how to do it. Watch that video, then come and put in your code here and then come and press on the send. Okay, after that, all that you have to do is to simply come and then select the option 4, which is the PUK. Okay, come and then put 4 here. After putting in the 4, simply come down here and then come and press on the send. Okay, and then all that you have to do is to simply come and then select for self, because you are requesting it for self, and then put in 1 here and then come and press on the send. So after pressing on the send, what you have to do is to come and then confirm it by simply putting in 1 here and then come and press on the send. Okay, so we are going to receive this message popping up showing that you have successfully requested to get your PUK code. Okay, so they are going to send it to you via SMS, but if you wait and then the code does not come, all that you have to do is to simply call customer support for them to give it to you directly. Like the video and then see you in my next video.